you're starting uni, hear this. Biggest misconception about starting uni is that you need to complete buying an entire checklist of items. No baby, you don't need to carry your entire skincare routine in travel sizes to uni. Some of these videos on the internet are just there to promote overconsumption. Truth is, everyone in uni just carry what they need and what they prioritize. Stop being influenced into buying stuff just for the aesthetic that you don't even need. Namaskar, I'm Bonful and today I'm going to share what I carry in my uni bags. I know you probably found my video in a sea of what's in my bag videos, but I'm only going to show you a realistic version of what I actually carry in my day-to-day life. Also, this is my bag, so if you find something weird, just remember that this works for me and you need to find out what works for you. What is the problem with this bird? Why does she keep do? It's like 4 o'clock in the morning and I'm recording this video and she's like I'm already sleepy and what is wrong with this bird? I have 2 uni bags and there's actually a story behind it. So, firstly, I bought this bag, okay? It is a Hello Kitty bag and I bought this from Meesho and it is very cute, obviously. It has lots of storage, it can hold a lot of books. But the only downside of this bag is that it is white and I didn't think about it while I was buying this. And it gets really dirty really quickly. Especially in the city that I live in is very dusty, very dirty. So I have to wash this like every 2 or 3 days. I decorated it with a Usagi charm. It makes a noise when you press it. It was supposed to say Unna, yeah, but it says, I think it ate too much. Sorry. This is my second bag. I bought this from Minja for 500 rupees, I think. I remember it was on sale and I bought it. This bag is very sturdy. The material of this bag is very good and it can also hold a lot. It has 3 compartments on the inside and 1 on the outside. Pretty detailing on the outside. And I decorated it with a Miku charm. Look how cute she is. I bought the charm from a nearby store near my uni. My university is like 10 minutes away from home, so I don't really carry a lot of stuff. And I also hate carrying a heavy bag around, so I only carry what I totally need. And I also don't carry anything to pass my free time in university, like an extra novel. I just roam around the campus or just chat with people. That's how I pass my time. I won't show both the bags because I carry the same things in both the bags, so I'll just show you the tooth one. So first section, I carry my phone with which I'm filming right now. So my phone case has gotten a little old and dirty, but let's ignore that. I have my house key is next and it is attached to a Hello Kitty keychain. Don't call my Hello Kitty dirty, guys. I got some paint on her and it didn't wash off. Next is a handkerchief. I always carry one to wipe off any sweat, wet hands, or tears. Basically everything. Next, onto the big compartment. It is a pretty big one. I hope you guys can see the inside of it. There's like this one compartment, and this one. You can even put a laptop here. So let's start with this one. So first I have my library card, which I cannot show to the camera, but I use it to get into the college library. Next, I have my card holder. I also use my card holder as a wallet. I put some stickers on it. This side is like fruit theme, and this side I got a birthday theme. It is a Muzi card holder, 2 compartments. In the card holder, the first I have my student ID, which I cannot show obviously, so this is the back. And on this side, I have some money. I don't really carry big amounts of money or any cards while going to the university because I just need the bus fare and some lunch money and that's it. I'm set for the day. And if I ever need to make some big type of payments in India, almost every payment is online. So I just use my phone for all that. Next one is this compartment right here. So I have my umbrella. You cannot go out without the umbrella here. In the morning, you'll have a scorching sun, and in the afternoon, there'll be heavy rain. So it is very unpredictable. So you should always carry one umbrella here. So I always have one with me. Here's my water bottle. This one is tiny, but I mostly carry a big one because I cannot live without water for 6 to 7 hours. So I don't know why my phone stopped recording in this part, but here is my notebook that I use in noting down in class. Our professors don't allow any laptops or like any electrical gadgets in class, so we just have to listen to them and just note down whatever they say. And you might ask, just one notebook for all your papers? Yes, just one notebook, and trust me when I say this will last me an entire semester. And this notebook is just for, noting down in class. So next one is this compartment. So I have a Barbie bag and I bought this for 10 rupees from a nearby store. Let's see what we have here. So first I have a sanitary pad in case I get my periods, and then I have a comb, I have a claw clip, I have a lip gloss, I have a perfume in case I smell because it is very sweaty here, I have a sanitizer. I cannot live without my sanitizer. I need it. I have a hair tie, and then I have 2 clips. I have my mirror, which changes eyes by the way. And lastly, I have Innisfree no sebum powder because sweaty. Here's my pencil box, which looks like a fish I just have some pens and some pencils in here. Yes. It also has like a multiplication table on them. 7 into 7. That's it. These are the only things I need in uni, and this is my everyday carry. I plan on making this video for under 5 minutes. I hope it is under for 5 minutes. And if you like my vibe, like and subscribe to me, because I'll be posting more videos like this. And to my 18 subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. And to everyone that is watching till the end, I love you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.